Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. It's Sylvana here and I am back for a new video on the Jewels and Gems YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we have something exciting happening, something really nice. It is the beautiful Pisces season. It's finally the end of Aquarius season and now we are diving into Pisces season. So we're going to talk about what does that mean? What does it symbolizes? What energy we will be feeling? What energy will we be into during this time? And yeah, just a few little key elements and facts for you guys. Now, just to be clear, this just not only resonate with people that have zodiac signs, that have like planets or houses or all those sort of elements in their birth chart in Pisces, but it works for everybody. So even though you might not have your sun sign, moon or rising in Pisces, you might still be affected by this new season in some shape or form. So definitely feel free to watch this video and see, maybe you already feel some of this happening right now on the very first day. We'll figure it out all together and we'll see what happens. So first things first, it's very important to remind ourselves that yes, indeed, I know a lot of people are surprised when I say this, but now is the end of the astrological calendar. So when people think, well, no, isn't it the beginning? It's only February. Like, well, actually, technically, no. The year starts with Aries, just to be clear. The Aries is the one that kickstarts the year, according to the zodiac. And then the one that finishes the year is actually Pisces. So that's very interesting, and it puts a lot of emphasis on the importance of Pisces to close this year. So I suppose in that situation, then Pisces really represents that idea of that moment where we need to integrate everything that has happened throughout the year. The energy of Pisces is very tricky, can be sometimes a bit difficult for some people to understand, because it refers to the 12th house in the house system in astrology. And the 12th house would be obviously related to a lot of very mystical themes and subjects. So which that would be Neptune and Neptune and Pisces work together, and in this situation you really have to think about a change of perspective. Neptune is the planet of the dreams and that sense of just being open to seeing things that would be maybe somehow out of the reality. Or everything seems a little bit on the more whimsical, spiritual, ethereal side, if that makes sense. But apart from that, Pisces would usually be associated with that idea of symbolizing everything but nothing all at once. I know it might sound strange. Let me explain. That energy that is the most spiritual of all is an energy that will invite us to connect to the divine, to the universe, to whatever it is that you believe in, that's a bigger force out there. And Pisces also invites us to connect, or to try to connect with unconditional love, and to maybe somehow acknowledge other people in our lives and ourselves as individuals that are here together to live a human experience as in together and help one another. And this season, I suppose for me, Pisces season is also the idea that it's important to understand the importance that there's nothing to achieve as such right now. Pisces is not about achieving. It's not about success as such. This energy is more so Capricorn's vibe. No, that doesn't really resonate with Pisces. Pisces is just here to remind us we need to experiment. We need to live life and take it for what it is and just let it come to us and just go with the flow. And that through life, our journey is to really aim at reconnecting with a universal force that is love within all of us, because that's something we all have within ourselves. The choice is yours to tap into it or not. And everyone gives it a different name. Some will say God, some say the universe, whatever it is that you believe in. The idea here is kind of, I suppose it's kind of is the same. And what I will try to explain here is that I really believe that this season right now, the focus is really for us to really work on what Pisces is all about, which is to learn to love, to learn to love with our heart and embrace that beautiful heart chakra energy and try to forget a little bit about the brain and leave that to Capricorn season. Now we're into Pisces season. So regardless of what you're going through, try to go for that Pisces energy that's all about leaving the ego aside in order to open your eyes and be able to really foresee all those beautiful things you would not normally be able to observe and acknowledge or recognize, whatever that may be in your eyes. And yeah, I'm sure you can see that Pisces season is very much so about that real invitation to reconnect to who we are, to reconnect to our soul. You know, it's very much so a sign in the zodiac that's all about that spiritual side of things. And it's the perfect time for you guys, for all of us, to try to really work hard on our spiritual practice and see if there is a chance for us now during this season to go a step further, to bring it to another level, and really to put in the work that in that area. Because by reconnecting with our own selves, it's something you'll have to do on a daily basis. It's not something that's going to happen on day one and that's it. You'll feel aligned. You'll feel like you're attracting everything you want. You feel like you're manifesting. These things take time. They take time, but the reward will come. You just have to do your best. So take the time to meditate, to practice yoga, for example, to dance, to sing, to journal, to whatever it is that really lifts your spirit, you know, that makes your heart fulfilled and full. And really try to remember that now is the time to take care of your energy. Capricorn and Aquarius were maybe not so much into that vibe, but now with Pisces, it's the time to clear and cleanse our energy. So now is the time to start to try to do energetic healing, energy healing, energy cleanses. Reiki is great during this time, I would say. This is something I practice myself as a Reiki healer myself. So let me know if this is something, for example, you'd like to learn more on this channel or in general. And I'll be very happy to share my knowledge with you about Reiki. Now is a great time for all these beautiful healing and practices, and just make the most out of this. Take care of ourselves, you know. Self-care is as important as anything else. So you know, I think that especially in this year 2021, a lot of people have really got the importance of healing, protecting and nourishing their own energy. And you know, so I would say during this season of Pisces, I would definitely invite you guys, if there was one thing to take with you from this video today, is really that importance of trying to connect with your inner energy, your own inner intuition, your subconscious mind that is so powerful yet so neglected. and to really nourish them, to cleanse them, to protect them. And yeah, slow down, try to reconnect with your intuition, because Pisces is all about intuition. Pisces is about that yin energy. We have the yin and the yang within all of us, which is the feminine and the masculine. Here we're talking about the yin, which is the divine feminine energy within all of us, which Pisces is very much connected to. So now, guys, is the time to really remind yourself to slow down, connect to your inner yin energy, and really take that time to rest. It's the end of the zodiac calendar. We are closing down this calendar. So take the time to just reflect on the last few months, how things have gone through, and just nourish yourself, take care of yourself, be kind to yourself, and prepare, because as soon as Pisces season is over, who's coming? The very fiery Aries, and the mood, the general mood is going to be completely different, believe me. So the idea here is really to leave you with that message. I hope that you feel that this resonated with you, and that you've got something from it. And yeah, if you would like to let me know in the comment section below, guys, what do you guys think about Pisces season, about everything that's happening at the moment with that change from Aquarius to Pisces? Are you excited? What's on your mind right now? Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. And just to let you know, guys, we've just started a brand new private Facebook group, but it is free. It's the J&G community. You'll find us on Facebook. And I'll put in the link in the description box for you. Make sure you join us. It's a beautiful community where we are all together sharing our love for all things crystals, mindfulness, spirituality. We help one another and we grow together into our journey in self-development, self-awareness, and self-love, and just energy healing and all good stuff, only good vibes. So I hope you will join us. I'll put in the link below, and there's also some freebies you can also find in the description box. I have for you guys a beautiful spiritual self-care guide that I done just for you. You'll find it below in the description box, as well as my astrology cheat sheet. Let me know, guys, what you think about them. I'd love to hear your opinion. And my book, my free ebook, is now available on Amazon, so you can go and check that out as well in the description box, and let me know what you guys think. There's so much more coming your way, so I hope you make sure to stay tuned with me, and we will be growing into this beautiful journey together. Thank you so much. I wish you a wonderful day, and don't forget to trust your intuition and do something positive for yourself today, because you deserve it. See ya.